For this craft, we need big 3 coconut shells
and clean with salt paper neatly. After cleaning, you have to wash it. So after dry, we have to start painting and take the position which one is a head, body and skirt. Choose your own colors. I am making a hairstyle with using a woolen thread.
For tying, I am using a satin ribbon. For head backside, I am using a black color. Front side, I have used a peach color. And neatly give the face shape. You can draw and paint also.
And then I am taking a position, eye, nose, lips like this. For outline, I used CD marker. The paints I am using here, acrylic paints. Now I am drawing the hands like this, namaskaram type. And trace with CD marker pen. After tracing, you have to paint it. This will be blouse border. For neck place, I am painting like this. And draw any necklace shape also.
Stick the hairstyle like this inside the coconut shell. Create a cone shape like this with using a chart paper. Check the cone height. If it is okay, you have to paint the peach color for cone also and then stick it. That's it. Your Kondapalli Bomma is ready.
Namaskaram.